Today we are here at the Watermine Family Swimming Hole, which is part of the Fairfax County Park Authority. And we're here for our annual Dog Daze swimming event where we open the water park up to all of our furry friends. So the Watermine Family Swimming Hole is a water park for children basically 12 and under. We have three-story water slides for those who are older. We have a 725-foot lazy river for those to enjoy. And we have various other little slides and aquatic features. We also have a spray pad and spray park for the non-swimmers to enjoy as well.
The Fairfax County Park Foundation is the fundraising arm for Fairfax County Parks. We're a lean group, and we raise supplemental funds that fund things that can't be paid by the tax dollars and revenue. So things like this are funded through voluntary donations, and we really appreciate every gift.
It's also a special time to be able to do this now that we're working through the pandemic. You know, we couldn't do this last year because the middle of the pandemic. At this point, with appropriate social distancing, with the vaccination now coming out, we're able to do things like this. So it's so nice to be able to get back and enjoy community events, and I'm so excited to be here and be a part of this today.
It's great to get the community out and involved and together, do something different, change it up every year. It's a lot of fun for everyone to come out. It's great to see the kids get to have some playtime with their dogs out in something that's different than a typical dog park.